Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com and another beautiful pizza. So if you're a regular to this little pizza section that we're doing, you'll know that I'm not making the dough here and I'm not making the sauce, we're just building the pizza. If you want to know how to make the dough and the pizza sauce, there's a link below and both recipe videos will pop up at the end. What we've got here today is probably my favorite pizza. We've got sun-dried tomatoes and Gorgonzola cheese with a nice little bit of rocket and tomato on the top. Let's get the dough together. Okay, so you saw me quickly get this together into the tin. Now, if you follow my dough recipe, you can get 2 of these from the amount in that video. These are 12 inches, they're quite thin. First off, let's get some sauce on there. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons I find to be adequate. Back of the spoon, circular motion. Let's get it out there. And again, this very simple tomato sauce will be in the link below and the video will pop up at the end. Perfect. Let's get some cheese on there. I'm going to get started off with some mozzarella. I'm using a block type mozzarella. You know, you slice it. If you wanted, you could be using a grated one. Really looking forward to this one. Okay, now I'm going to get some sun-dried tomatoes on there. Now these sun-dried tomatoes have been in the oil, so they're nice and soft and pliable. And then we're going to add some cheese, the Gorgonzola, the star of the show. Probably my favourite cheese. A lot of people don't like blue type cheese, but I am a big fan. Stinky cheese, I love. I really love it. I've had some cheese actually that is too strong for me in the past, but Gorgonzola, beautifully mild, but with that fantastic blue veins in there. Wonderful. Little bit of dried oregano or oregano. And that's going to go into my very hot oven. Get your oven on maximum heat. It's going to be about 6 minutes in my oven. Okay, and while that piece is in the oven, I've just got a little bit of rocket and chopped tomato. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. If you want to add some vinegar, like a balsamic vinegar or something, I like it just like that. Going to give that a little mix and that's going to go on the top. Wonderful. And there you go, out the oven, 6 minutes in my oven. That looks so tasty. A little bit of our rocket on there and the tomato with the olive oil. Super happy. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.